Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by Siddharth. In this session, we'll discuss about Vedic maths, how to do calculations quickly and easily. The first one is how to multiply two numbers if they satisfy the following conditions. Those are sum of their unit digits is 10 and their tens digits should be same. So the number should be like this 32 into 38. What is the sum of their unit digits here? 8 plus 2, that is 10, and tens digits are same. If the numbers satisfy these two conditions, we can do the multiplication like this. Directly we can multiply unit digits, that is 2 into 8, 16. Then what is the number we'll get after 3? That is 4. We should multiply 3 with the 4. What is 3 into 4? That is 12. So 32 into 38 will be 1216. Next we'll take one more number. This 43 into 47. Now tens digits are same and unit digit sum of unit digits will be 10. So these two numbers are satisfying these two conditions. So directly we can multiply the unit digits, that is 7 into 3 21. What is the number we'll get after 4? That is 5. So 4 into 5 will be 20. The multiplication will be 20 21. Let me take one more example. 76 into 74. These two numbers satisfying these two numbers are satisfying these two conditions. So we can use this trick. That is 6 into 4 24. What is the number we'll get after 7? That is 8. So 7 into 8 will be 56. By using this trick, we can say answer orally, but it should have to satisfy these two conditions. Then only we can apply this trick. This is about first one. Next one, second one, how to find squares of numbers 1 to 100. So to find out square any square from 1 to 100, first we will take 75 to 100. If the number lies between 75 to 100, then how we will find out the square? So 99 square. What is the value of 99 square? To find out all these values, I can use 100 as reference. Okay. So what is the difference between 100 and 99? That is 1. What is 1 square? 0 1. We'll write 1 square here. Subtract 1 from 99. That is 98. Then 98 square. What is the value of 98 square? What is the difference between 100 and 98? 2. Write down 2 square here and subtract 2 from 98. That is 9604. If you want to find out 93 square, then what is the difference between 100 and 93? That is 7. Write down 7 square here, 49. Subtract 7 from 93. That is 86. Then 88 square. What is the difference between 100 and 88? That is 12. Write down 12 square here. 144. In previous cases, we are getting only 2 digits. Now we are getting 3 digits. In this case, how to find out the squares? So I'll explain now. 12 square is 144. Subtract 12 from 88. Write down 76 here. So 7744. We'll do like this. If you are getting 3 digits, we'll do like this. Let me take one more example. 85 square. What is the difference between 100 and 85? That is 15. Write down 15 square here, 225. Now subtract 15 from 85. That is 70. 7225. Is it clear? Or else we can find out the 85 square by using the previous trick. That is sum of unit digits is 10 and tens digits are same. So 5 into 5, that is 25. What will be the number after we'll get after 8? That is 9. 8 nines are 72. Similarly 75 square. 75 into 75. We will also do the same by using the previous trick. 5 into 5, 25. What is the number we are getting after 7? That is 8. 7 into 8 will be 5625. If it satisfies the first condition, we can use that concept, or else we can use, if the number lies between 75 to 100, we'll do the calculations like this. Okay, now we will find out the squares that lie between 25 and 75. So now I am dividing this interval into two parts. First one is 25 to 50 and second one is 50 to 75. To find out the squares that from 75 to 100, we have taken reference as 100. To find out the squares of the numbers that from 25 to 75, we will take the reference as 50 and 25. By using these two, how can we find out the squares of these numbers? Let me explain. What is the value of 51 square? So first, 51 is how much more than 51? Write down 1 square here, 0, 1. Now 51 is 1 more than 50. We should have to add this 1 to 25. So 25 plus 1, 25 plus 1, that is 26. We will write 26 here. This is the value of 51 square. Next, 52 square. 52 is 2 more than 50. So 2 square. 52 minus 50, that is 2. 2 square value we will write here 4. Now we should have to add that 2 to 25. We will write here 25 plus 2, 27. Similarly, if we take 56 square, then 56 minus 50, what is the value? 6. 6 square, 36 we will write here. 56 is 6 more than 50. We should have to add that 6 to 25. 25 plus 6, 31. We should write 31 here. Similarly, if we want to find out 61 square, so difference between 50 and 61 is 11. 11 square is 121. In previously we are getting only 2 digits so that we can write directly. But now we are getting 3 digits. How to solve this one? So I'll explain now. 61 is 11 more than 50. So 11 square 120 value we are writing here. Now add 11 to the 25, 36. Write down 36 here. Now add these two. 1, 2, 3, 7, 2, 1. Similarly, if you want to find out 63 square, what is the difference between 63 and 50? That is 13. 13 square we will write 169 here, and we should have to add this 13 to 25. 25 plus 13 will be 28. 28 we should write like this. 8 we will write above hundreds place. 2 we will write in thousands place. Then we should have to add 9, 6, 9. Sorry, 25 plus 3, that is 38. 3969. Okay. Now let us discuss about the squares that are less than 50. Let me take 49. What is the difference between 50 and 49? That is 1. 1 square we will write here 0, 1. I should have to previously, for squares of the values more than 50, I have added that difference to 25. Now I'll subtract this difference from 25 for the values that are less than 50. So 50 minus 49, that is 1. 1 square we will write here, that is equals to 1. I should have to subtract this 1 from 25. 2401. Then 48 square. 48 is 2 less than 50. So 2 square 04 I'll write here. I have to subtract that 2 from 25. That is 23. Let me find out 44 square. So the difference between 50 and 44 is 6. 6 square I can write 36 here. I have to subtract that 6 from 25. 25 minus 6 will be 19. Similarly, if I want to find out 36 square, so the difference between 50 and 36 is 14. I can write 14 square 196 here. Then I should have to subtract that 14 from 25. 25 minus 14 will be 11. So I'll write 11 above the hundreds place. Understood? 6, 9, 1, 2, 9, 6. By using this trick, we can able to find out the square of any number that from 1 to 100. If you feel finding of squares by using previous method is difficult, now I can give one more alternate way how to find out the squares. So I'll take some values 36 square, 46 square, 58 square, 69 square. How to find out these values? I'll give one more way, try to listen me. What is the value of 6 square? That is 36. Write down here. What is the value of 3 square? 9. Write down now 9 here. 936 is not the value of 36 square. What should I have to add further? Now now multiply all these three digits. 2 3s are 6. 6 into 6 36. 36 I should have to write by leaving units place. Understood? So I'll write 6 under 3, 3 under 9. So 6, 9, 9, 3, 12. 36 square is 1296. Now I should have to find out what is the value of 46 square. What is the value of 6 square? I'll write 36 here. Then what is the value of 4 square? I'll write 16 here. Now 2 4s are 8. 8 6 are 48. 48 I'll write by leaving units place. Now I should have to add 6, 11, 11, 2, 1, 6. Similarly, what is the value of 58 square? 8 square is 64. What is the value of 5 square? That is 25. Now I should have to multiply all these three digits. 2 5s are 10, 10 8s are 80. I will write 80 by leaving units place. 4, 6, 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 3, 6, 4. Now let me take one more example, that is 78 square. So what is the value of 8 square? That is 64. And what is the value of 7 square? That is 49. Now I should have to multiply all these three digits. 2 sevens are 14, 14 eights are 112. I can write 112 by leaving units place. Previously we are getting 2 digits, now we are getting 3 digits. Whether we are getting 2 digits or 3 digits, we can write that by leaving units place. That's it. Now we should have to add all these three, all these values. 4, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 1 10, 6084. So whether we can find out the squares by using previous method, or else we can find out the squares from 1 to 100 by using this method. Which one is comfortable to you, you can adapt this. Actually to find out the squares, pen and paper are not required. Once if you adapt this, you can give the answers orally. So how to give the answers orally, I'll explain directly. 46 square. So 46 is 4 less than 50. Directly 4 square will write 16 here. I have to subtract that 4 from 25. 2116. Once if you adapt the concept, then you can give the answers orally. Okay. This is about finding of squares. And I'll give one more. How to find out squares from 10 to 20. Okay. So 11 square. What is 1 square? 1. Write down 0 like 0 1. Then add 1 to 11. That is 12. 1 to 1. Then what is the value of 12 square? 2 square. Write down 0 4. Then add 2, whatever the unit digit that we should have to add to that number. 12 plus 2, that is 14. 4 1 4 4. What is the value of 16 square? So 6 square value is 36. We should have to add whatever the units place here. Here units place is 6. We should have to add 6 to 16. 16 plus 6 will be 22. We will write by leaving units place. 6 5 256. Similarly, what is the value of 18 square? So 8 square 64. Whatever the units place here, we should have to that add that place to that value to number. 18 plus 8 will be 26. 3 to 4. By using all these tricks, we can say the squares of a square of a number orally. Okay. It is about how to find out squares and some calculations tricks. If you like the session, please like and subscribe and share to reach out more. Okay, thank you.